show you our amazing H300 agriculture drone. And we will show the demonstration later. And before that, I like to introduce some specification a little bit for you, so you will have a concept about it. Okay. Welcome our new friend, DSK. So, first of all, I like to introduce our company a little bit. Our company name is Spider Eye, and we are a Chinese manufacturer of drones, and we are located in Hangzhou City in South China. Do you know Hangzhou? Welcome, Truckman. Welcome, say hi. So our company is located in Hangzhou City, and Hangzhou is famous for maybe AI. Do you know the robot? And we also famous for tourists. So welcome to Hangzhou and welcome to our channel. So our company, we have our own R&D department. So basically, we develop the drone by ourselves. So besides, we also have our own factories. So our prices are very competitive. Today, we are going to show you our flagship M400 agriculture for you. You can see it is there. So the capacity is up to 180 liters. It's quite large. 150 liter is for the liquid, and for the solid, like the fertilizer or the seed, the capacity is about 210 liters. So the working efficiency is very, I think it's very great compared to other models like H300. We also have H300. The capacity is like 100 liters. So later we will show you how it works because today we have our customers visiting. So we will show you a demonstration later, maybe a few minutes later. For H300，哎呀，完蛋，今天是 H300，sorry, a mistake. Today we are going to show you a demonstration of our H300. So if you are interested in M400, please you can maybe send us message and we will contact you and send you the catalog or more information about M400. But today let's focus on H300. Sorry, my mistake. So you can see there are two batteries um, on the both sides of the drum, the right side and the left side. So the endurance for this drone is about 20 minutes in the condition of without any load. So the endurance is about 8 minutes with full loaded. We also have another version. It's called the long endurance, and it is equipped with 4 batteries, like 4 customized batteries. So it has longer flying time, like 20 minutes to 62 minutes. So it depends on your need or on your requirement. We have different choices. Welcome, new friends. So here's a message from Korean friend, but I cannot translate your language. So could you please send maybe in English? So if you have any questions, please you can type on the screen. I will answer. Okay. Welcome, new friends. So there are 8 arms for this drone. And for the the customer say hi, but we didn't record it. So they are checking the spare parts. There are 8 arms and 8 motors. The motors are brushless motors, and we use our own flight controller. So our colleagues are doing some preparing before the flying demonstration. They need to check. They need to check some parts first. So for the agricultural drone, we usually have some optional parts for it, like the radars. We have front or rear obstacle avoidance radars, and we also have terrain radars. The terrain radar is very suitable for some complicated terrain situation, like in the mountain or in the hill. So it can maintain a certain height from the ground, and so the drone won't crash on a rock or on something else. We also have option for RTK. Do you know what RTK mean? We have some like GPS on the insert the drone, and the location difference is like meters, but when you use RTK, it can make the location more accurate in like centimeters. So if you need to make the location more accurate, so it's better to use RTK. And for this drone, we can use the same tank for both spreading or spraying. You don't need to change another tank. So the tank is suitable for both liquid and solid. If you need to use spreading uses, you only need to maybe buy some spreader system, so you can match it and use it straight. For this model, it's quite popular in South America. Many customers like it because the capacity is suitable and the prices are suitable. So we have many drones. Agriculture drones is part of our products. We also have some other uses like cleaning, like transport, like firefighting, and we also have manned drones, like you can sit in and drone by yourself and drive by yourself. It's quite cool. So if you have interest about other drones like the cleaning, transport, firefighting, and also whatever whatever you are interested, you can follow our channel, and we will do a live stream like every working day. And we will show you a demonstration about different models for different uses. And if you want more information like specifications and some commercial terms, you can leave message to us and we will contact you. So today in Hangzhou, the weather is cloudy and humid because in these days it rains a lot. So how's weather in your country? I think it might be night in your country, right? The sunny night, the sunny day, the sunny day night. Sorry.
在说什么？
不知道，我说我看不懂，让他打英文。
嗯？
让他打英文。Hi, welcome, Milky. We are going to show you the flying of our agricultural drone H300 later. We have customers there and they are checking some parts. So after that, we will show you. Maybe later. We are located in Hangzhou, China. So welcome to our city maybe one day for tourists or for maybe business trip. Welcome new friend Bamford and me. Maybe my pronunciation is not correct. So for H300 is an agriculture drone. The capacity for liquid is about 100 liters and it can be used for both spraying and spreading. Okay, so I will stop for a while and let's see the demonstration in silent. So, but if you have any question, you can type on the screen.
OK。
你在干嘛？开小差。
在忙。
Okay, so because the tank is not full loaded, so the demonstration is short. But for the endurance for this drone, like the basic version, the endurance is like 8 to 20 minutes, and we also have another version which is equipped with 4 batteries. You can see this is equipped 2 batteries. For the 4 batteries, the endurance can up to 20 minutes to 62 minutes. It has longer flying time. And what do you think about the performance? You can maybe type on the screen. It has, as you can see, the spring weld is about 8 to 15 meters. It is equipped with 4 centrifugal nozzles, so the water range is wild.
有啊，我呢，老板。
It's one of our flagship drone
李总啊，
because the capacity is quite large, and we also have another large drone with 180 liters for the liquid, and for the solid the capacity is about 210. The model name is M400, but today we are not going to show it. But if you are interested, you can maybe leave message to us, or we will, because we do the stream live every day, so maybe one day we will show the flying demonstration for you. Do you have any questions about it?
Yeah.
Like what? Salam alaikum, Hamza. So they are doing some introduction for our customer. For this drone, we can use the same tank for both spreading or spraying, but like for M400, we have 2 tanks separated, like one for spraying and one for spreading. So it's quite advantage for it. It's more convenient, I think.
你喝咖啡吗？
不喝，
你平时不喝啊？
偶尔吧。So the waterproof grade is IP67, and the weight of the drone which includes the batteries, like 100 kilograms. We have some optional spare parts for it, like radars. We have options for front and rear obstacle avoidance radars, and we also have option for terrain following radar. This radar is very suitable for some complicated terrain, like mountains, like hills, because it can keep the drone a certain distance from the ground, so it won't be a sudden crash for the drone. And for other device, like we have option for RTK. RTK can make the location more accurate. Generally, the GPS, like the difference is about the difference of the GPS location is about meters in meters. But when you use RTK, it can make the location more accurate, like in centimeters. So if you have high requirement about the location, you can choose RTK. Yes. And agriculture drone is one of our like is one kind of our products. We also have products for other uses like cleaning for the building walls or the solar pellets. And we have also firefighting drones, which we have cooperated with Egyptian government. And we also have some like transport drones. The maximum capacity can up to 200 kilograms. And we also developed our own manned drones. For this drone, you can sit in the drone and drive by yourself. It's quite cool, and we will launch a interview next month for the manned drone. So if you have interest, you can maybe follow our channel. We will do the live stream that day, like in the mid-July. And here are some basic spare parts for this drone. You can see there are 8 arms, 8 motors, brushless motors, and speed control, ESC, electric speed controller. And GNSS, which includes like GPS and Beidou and Clongeness. This one is our basic version with 2 batteries. As I mentioned, we also have long endurance version, like with 4 customized batteries, which have longer flying time. And you can also see there are 2 pumps under the tank pump. And what else? And here are flight controller inside the drone. The flight controller is like the brain to human being. It's very important, and we developed it by ourselves because we have our own R&D development. R&D department. Sorry. For this model, we can use it for both spraying and spreading. If you need to spread, you can buy like the spread system, so you can use it directly without change the tank or anything else. Welcome, new friends. It also has flight light, so it can fly in the night. And the waterproof is IP67, so it can fly. Technically, it can fly in a rainy day, but we don't recommend that. Okay. And for this one, the model name is H300, and we also have we use the same platform, but different uses like firefighting H300 and transport H300, but use different flight controller, like because when you want to use a drone for transport, it needs more stable status. So the flight controller is different. And for firefighting, it requires more premium structure or the how to say, the upgraded flight controller. And for the agriculture use, the flight controller maybe requires the system for spring spreading. So in a word, the flight controller are totally different. So in your country, do you use agricultural drones or do many farmers use it currently? We have many customers all over the world. And for agriculture, mostly from South America, like the agriculture countries. And they have great interest in it. Today is quite hot in Hangzhou. In these days, it rains a lot, so it's also very humid, very wet. So we just show the demonstration of our agriculture H300. This is for agriculture uses. The capacity is up to 100 liters, and the maximum is up to 120. The flying time, we have two versions. This one is the basic version. You can see there's only one battery there, but for this one, we usually use two batteries to support one flight. It's our basic version. The endurance is like 8 to 20 minutes. 8 means full loaded, and 20 minutes is without any load. Welcome, new friends. We also have another version. Like it's called the long endurance version, and it is equipped with 4 customized batteries, which have longer flying time, like 20 minutes to 62 minutes. 20 minutes is full loaded, and 62 minutes is without any load. For the 2 batteries, we use smart batteries with smart charger. So, for the smart charger, it can show some status of the battery when charging, and also it can send some report to you, show the maybe the status of the batteries, and it can help the batteries to have a longer life service. The battery is a little bit heavy, like 7 to 8 kilograms. And the charge time for one battery is like 10 minutes. But for customized battery, the charging time will be longer, like 20 minutes, because it has bigger capacity and it takes time. It takes more time. So do you have any question about it? Or do you have any questions about our company or anything else? We also have agriculture drone is just one part of our product range. We also have other drones like cleaning drone, like cleaning the building exterior walls or the solar pallet. And also transporting drones For our M400, the maximum payload is up to 200 kilograms. And we also have firefighting drones. We have already cooperated with Egyptian government about it. We also have what? We also have manned drones, which is developed by our R&D department. For this manned drone, like you can sit in the drone and drive by yourself. It's very cool. And we will launch an interview next month, maybe mid-July, and we will make live streams about it, definitely. So if you have interest, you can follow our channel or just leave a message to us. Oh, it's quite hot. Hi, new friend. Do you want to know more about information about H300 agriculture drone? For the drone, the capacity is 100 liter and it can be used for both spraying and spreading. But for spreading use, you need to buy like extra spreading system. But you don't need to change anything else like the tank or other things. So it's quite convenient for the operation. And you can see the arm, there are 8 arms for it, and each arm is equipped with propeller and motors. And there's also something called the ESC, electric speed controller. Yes. And there are 4 centrifugal nozzles. So it's the spring valve is quite like it's quite wide, like 8 to 15 meters. And we also have some options for radars like front and rear obstacle avoidance radars and terrain following radar. As for terrain following radar, it is very suitable for some like mountains, hills. The radar can keep the drone a certain distance from the ground, so it won't be a sudden crash of the drone. K is a device to make the location more accurate in centimeter. So if you have higher requirement about the location, you can choose that one. What else? What else? Or do you have any questions? 多久了呀？我累了，才半小时吗？We have maybe 20 minutes left, so if you have questions, we can discuss. Or what else? So now is Sunday in your country, right? Maybe Sunday night. And tomorrow you will go back to work. And now I'm working. So, do you feel maybe like anxious or nervous on the Sunday night because you have to come back to work maybe the next day? Or you just feel very like in a leisure way and see some live, some stream?这是啥？他干嘛？
连线不用管。
那要 拒绝吗？
PK 对拒绝。你还想跟人打 PK 啊？
我才不要呢。Welcome our new friends. So I will introduce a little bit to our new friends again about our H300 model. This model is for this machine is for agriculture use. Yes. And it's called the H300, and the capacity is 100 liters for the liquid and the solid, like the seeds, fertilizers. And we have two versions for this model. This one is a basic version. Like the main difference is about the endurance. One is shorter and another one is longer. This one is the basic one. Is the endurance like 8 to 20 minutes. 8 means with full loaded, and 20 minutes means like without any load. So it needs two batteries to support one flight. And we have a longer endurance version, like the flying time is like 20 minutes to 62 minutes. 20 minutes like 20 minutes means full loaded, and 62 minutes means without any load. But other specifications are almost same. Like the spring valve is from 8 to 50 meters, and like the basic spare parts are all same. The motors, arms, propeller, tank, and also other. Welcome, Daniel. And the other parts are almost same. Like you can see, there are 8 arms, and there's one brushless motor on each centrifugal nozzles. So it's suitable for some orchards. 什么3分钟？
再播3分钟。
真的吗？For some orchards, yes. We have some optional spare parts for it, like the radars. We have front and rear radars, and terrain following radar, and we also have 360-degree radars. So it can help the drone fly in a very safe way. Yes, but it depends on your requirement. Like if you want to fly on a mountain, in mountains or in a hill, you can choose terrain following radar. It can keep the drone a certain distance from the ground, so there won't be a sudden crash. And we also have other device like RTK device. RTK can make the location, like the GPS. It can make the location more accurate. If you don't use RTK, the location difference is like meters, maybe 1 meter, 2 meters. But if you use RTK, the location difference can be controlled in centimeter. So if you have requirement like that, you can choose RTK. Yeah. For this drone, you can use it for both spraying the pesticide or water. You can use it for like spreading. You can fill it with like fertilizer or seeds. Yes. And you don't need to change the tank. You can use the same one. But if you need to use it for spreading, you may buy a spreading system additionally. Hi, Justin. We have maybe 2 minutes left, so if you have, oh, okay. If you have any questions, you can type on the screen or just leave a message to us. because today is quite hot outside, so we will say goodbye earlier. 好了，下播，Bye，see you next time。